Hey, welcome back to How TL YouTube channel. Today we see how much does a riding lawnmower weigh. Let me know what you think of this video in the comments, and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on my future videos. And in the last of this video I pin a question. I hope you will reply the answer. First of all, riding lawnmowers are a great addition to a tool shed. They are an invaluable and essential tool of trade not only for private home use, but also when used by professional garden services. They improve productivity and, if correctly adjusted, produce an excellent manicured finish to the lawn. The only downside of riding lawnmowers is that they are cumbersome. The average riding lawnmower weighs between 300 pounds, 600 pounds, 135 kgs to 270 kgs. At a full tank of fuel and oil, the average riding lawnmower is a heavy piece of equipment to handle, repair, or load onto a truck or trailer. The largest machines weigh up to 900 pounds. Lifting a riding lawnmower is not a task for the light-hearted. Riding lawnmowers are heavy in awkward shapes with no simple handles or parts designed to hold onto when picking them up. Let's look at each type of riding lawnmower available, their weight, and how to best lift them. Average weight of popular riding lawnmowers. Make and model. John Deere S240. Weight. 458 pounds. Make and model. John Deere E150. Weight. 483 pounds. Make and model. John Deere X300. Weight. 542 pounds. Make and model. Craftsman Pro Series. Weight. 580 pounds. Make and model. Yard Machines S029. Weight. 520 pounds. Make and model. Husqvarna YTH 1942. Weight. 479 pounds. Make and model. Pollen Pro 204. Weight. 428 pounds. How much does a riding lawnmower weigh? Riding lawnmowers are produced by several manufacturers, each of which has various models and different weight ranges. There are four main types of riding lawnmower. First, lawn tractors second, rear engine riders third, zero-turn mowers fourth. Garden tractors. Lawn tractors are the best known riding lawnmower. These have an engine mounted at the front and operate with car-like controls, including a steering wheel, accelerator, and brake. Some riding mowers have an automatic gear system, whereas others are manual. These machines typically weigh between 300 and 650 pounds. Rear engine riders are the smallest and lightest riding lawnmower. These lawnmowers have lower capacity engines and a shorter cutting swathe width. They are better suited to smaller domestic gardens. Their main benefit is that they are easy to store, however, they do not generally perform well as the other types. These machines typically weigh between 150–300 pounds. Zero-turn mowers are the heaviest of the domestic ride-on lawnmowers. These are the gold standard of riding lawnmowers. They look like a standard lawn tractor. The difference is that the two front wheels are small and are attached on swivels. Instead of a steering system turning the front wheels, the power to each back wheel is independently controlled by the driver. They can even make each wheel move in opposite directions if necessary. These riding lawnmowers are very maneuverable and can rotate on the spot, which is where they earned the name zero-turn mowers. Zero-turn lawnmowers weigh between 550 pounds and 750 pounds. Garden tractors are the biggest and heaviest riding lawnmower. Garden tractors look like a scaled-up version of lawn tractors. They are bigger and more capable than the other lawnmowers. They have more powerful engines and drive systems with a broader swathe, and they can cut thicker, coarser grasses. A wide variety of different tasks can also be undertaken by garden tractors, such as 1. A leaf collector. 2. A moss rake. 3. A scarifier. 4. A spreader for lawn preparation. 5. When fitted with a snowblade or snow thrower, they can clear driveways and paths. 6. They usually have a trailer attachment. 7. Some models can even be used for tilling, cultivating, plowing, or hauling materials. Garden tractors weigh between 600 pounds to 900 pounds depending on their size and capability. How can you adjust the weight on your riding lawnmower? The weight of a lawnmower is almost fixed, but still you can make some little tweaks to make it a little heavier or lighter. Change cutting deck. Changing cutting deck can make your lawnmower heavier or lighter, but you will have to keep in mind that the new ones fit your lawnmower perfectly. Changing tires. Changing tires can make a good shift in your lawnmower weight. If you replace the tires with the concrete ones, the lawnmower will become a bit heavy, and it can be lighter if you do the vice versa. Are heavier lawnmowers better than lighter ones? Using a heavier or lighter lawnmower depends upon your need. Lighter lawnmowers can be easy to use around obstacles, however, heavier ones can cut large swathes of grass. How do you lift a riding lawnmower? There are a few instances where you are going to need to raise your riding lawnmower, such as 1. To change the blades. 2. Repair the cutting deck. 3. Change the drive belt. 4. Change the cutting belt. 5. Transport the lawnmower for repair contract work. You may need to raise the riding lawnmower to work underneath it. There may also be instances where you need to load the riding lawnmower onto the back of a trailer or truck. The recommended methods to lift or load your riding lawnmower are 1. Remove the cutting deck. 2. Lift the riding lawnmower to work underneath it. Conclusion: riding lawnmowers are fantastic machines. They efficiently keep the grass at golf course blade height, and different models can be used for many other activities. However, they are cumbersome, so extreme caution needs to be maintained if you want to raise one off the ground or load it onto a vehicle. Give the answer of this question in the comment box. How to fix Briggs & Stratton mower. I am waiting for your answer. And make sure to subscribe to HowTL YouTube channel for more videos. Also consider to comment down. Thanks for watching HowTL YouTube channel.